Good morning. Today we are going to continue our lesson. The fourth atmospheric layer, which is the thermosphere. The thickness of thermosphere equal 590 kilometer and its height 675 kilometer. This layer got its name from being the hottest layer of the atmosphere. We call it thermo. Thermo means heat. Why we call it thermosphere? Because it is the hottest layer of the atmosphere. Because since it's near to the sun, the temperature increases until it reaches 1200 degrees, because it's near to the sun. Ionosphere. Ionosphere is the upper part of the thermosphere that contain charged particles called ions. We call it ionosphere because it contains ions. So, the ionosphere has an important role in receiving wireless communication because it contains ions. So, ions help the wireless communication. So, the wireless communication occurs in the ionosphere because it contains ions, and ions reflect radio waves produced from TV and radio stations. Van Allen belts. Van Allen belts. They are two magnetic belts surround this layer and scatter harmful charged cosmic radiation away from the earth. It makes the harmful radiation goes away and reflected to the space and protect the earth from it. So Van Allen belts are two magnetic belts protect the earth from the harmful radiation. Aurora, like we see in this picture. This is aurora. Aurora is a phenomenon which the scattered rays cause, which is a light contains seen at the south and north poles. So the scattered rays cause the aurora, and the aurora phenomena, which are light curtains seen at the south and north poles. The exosphere. The exosphere is where the atmosphere ends. It is the end of the atmospheric layer, and the space begins. After our atmospheric layer ends, we have an area called exosphere. The exosphere is the end of the atmospheric layer and the beginning of our space, and where the satellites orbit the Earth around it, where satellites orbit the Earth. So, satellites transmit weather condition and TV programs. What is the function of satellites? Satellites used to transmit weather condition and TV programs. So the exosphere is where the atmosphere ends and the space begins, and where the satellites orbit the Earth. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.